Hi there, welcome back. I am Kat, Portuguese teacher and translator, and in this video, I'll be teaching you how to use the expression to have just in European Portuguese for a very recent past event. In English, this expression, to have just something, is the most common way to express a past event that has just so a very recent past event. And we do have the exact equivalent, a consistent translation of this expression, which is acabar de. Acabar de is the exact and consistent translation of to have just in English. And we always use it in the simple past. So, eu acabei de, tu acabaste de, ele, ela, você acabou de, nós acabamos de, você, vocês, eles, elas acabaram de. On the other hand, if we would like to express an hypothetical scenario in the moment where something just happened in the future when it's still hypothetical, still up in the air, in this, if it is hypothetical, that will trigger the subjunctive. So we will need to use the expression assim que, which is as soon as, e mal. We have these two expressions that mean as soon as. Assim que, mal, they express something hypothetical. And we will need to use the present subjunctive. For instance, assim que acabes de chegar a casa, diz-me. Beware that these expressions, assim que e mal, they only trigger the subjunctive if they're expressing an hypothetical scenario. If they are expressing a factual scenario, something consistent, as soon as something in general, we will use the normal simple present. Ok? Então, take for instance, assim que chego a casa, vou descansar. Assim que chego a casa, vou comer. So, assim que only triggers the subjunctive if it is hypothetical. If not, we will keep the normal indicative mood, not the subjective mood.